दिव्या राणे. पहिल्यांदाच आमदार झालेल्या डॉक्टर दिव्या राणे यांनी परी मतदारसंघात इतिहास घडवला. अत्यंत कमी काळात त्या लोकप्रिय झाल्या. परी मतदारसंघात मोठ्या मतांची आघाडी घेऊन जिंकणाऱ्या त्या पहिल्या महिला आमदार आहेत. विकास कामे कशी करायची असतात हे त्यांच्याकडून काही नवे आमदारही शिकू शकतात. त्या स्वतः MBBS झालेल्या डॉक्टर आहेत. राज्याचे आरोग्य मंत्री विश्वजित राणे यांच्या त्या पत्नी हे सर्वांनाच ठाऊक आहे. विधानसभेतील त्यांचे काम पाहता त्या प्रथमच आमदार झाल्या आहेत असे कुणी म्हणणार नाही. सत्तरी तालुक्यातील महिला शक्ती त्यांनी जबरदस्त.
First of all, congratulations, emerging politician, a legislature member. So how do you see this award for yourself?
I'm extremely humbled and honored, first of all, to receive it as Emerging Politician Goal of the Year award, from Honorable Chief Minister Pramod Sawantji and of course the Honorable Chairman of Lokmat Media House, Sridhar Daji. So this is like a very humbling situation for me, and I can't imagine that in the 2 years of my tenure, I could achieve this. This is just blessings of each and every constituent of Sattari, Pariya and Sattari, that I managed to get this today, and really humbled by this. And I want to dedicate this, and actually this wouldn't have been possible without the support. I'm really indebted to the Bharatiya Janata Party at the state level and national level, because if they had not chosen me to be the candidate for Pariya, I wouldn't be here today holding this award. So I'm indebted to the Bharatiya Janata Party for giving me this opportunity, and my dream that I always had to make some change in few people's life and touch people's lives positively, and I've managed it in a small way, and lots more to do, miles to go before I sleep, I say. And I dedicate this to my parents, my in-laws, my children, and above all Vishwajit. Because of him I'm here today, because he helped me to be here, guided me, motivated me, and allowed me to achieve my dreams. And the Honorable Chief Minister for supporting every work that I wanted to do, and because of which I could achieve what I could achieve in the constituency, and fulfill the aspirations of my constituents. And every minister who has supported me in achieving the dreams of and my vision, and helping me to take my vision forward for my constituency. So I want to thank the Honorable Chief Minister and every minister in the Goa Legislative Assembly for helping me to achieve this today, and because of which I've got this. And I dedicate this award to my dedicated office staff, who are my pillars of strength, and my constituency people, each and every one. I dedicate this award to them. Because of their love and blessings, I'm here today.
Thank you.
Good, very good. It's her effort in the constituency, which is been appreciated by the panel, headed by Mr. Ramakant Kadam, who has been a very experienced politician in the state and seen many governments over the last so many years. And it's creditable because work is always recognized, and you have to continue to keep working hard to it.